Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you guys how I transformed this not so pretty box that I got from my local thrift store for only $1.21. If you're interested in how I transformed it, please keep watching. So the first thing I did was remove the hardware and then wipe it all clean. Then I took Americana chalk paint in white and started giving it its first coat. Then after that coat was dry, I gave it a second one. I made sure to paint the lid as well. Then I had some of these little unfinished wood pieces from my local Hobby Lobby, and I decided to glue that one little finial to the larger flower piece. Then I just took a stain that I had on hand and I just gave it a really light coat. Then while that was drying, I went back to the box and sanded it down, made it smoother in some areas, and then gave it a little bit of a distressed look on the edges and places where it would naturally wear. Then I took some of Martha Stewart's Tilled Soil Craft paint as well as a light gray to add a little bit more detail to the box. I went ahead and marked a line with some painter's tape on the box all the way around. I started by adding the brown paint first. Then I began to add the gray paint on the top. I basically dry brushed it on and then I would wipe some areas off. Then I would go back over with brown. I was basically looking for a weathered wood look, but instead of, sanding down the box all the way to the grain, I decided that I would just try to do a painted finish instead. Then I took some white wax from Debbie's Design Diary and I just added it a little bit more to the top to give it more of a coastal weathered feel. Once that was done, I removed the painter's tape and touched up any areas that kind of bled over. I added a little bit of that white wax to this piece as well. Then I took some wood glue and adhered it to the lid of the box. And this last step is optional, but I applied clear wax on top of the entire piece to protect it. And now I have this super cute functional box that I can store some of my craft supplies that I will be using in a few videos very soon. But clearly you can use this to store anything you want. And if you enjoyed this little thrifted transformation, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to make sure you are alerted every time I upload another DIY. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios!